imagine, di ba? Okay, tayo, ang tagal ng journey natin to get to that point na where we can finally say, hey, this is who I am, di ba? At isabihin natin yun sa mga taong mahal natin. So, syempre, tendency natin is we expect them to understand it just like
Right
that.
away.
But we forget that they will only begin their journey once
You start you.
Yes.
nasabi natin sa kanila.
Oo.
So, di ba, imaginein mo rin na, syempre, sa tagal lang yan, bumuo sila ng pangarap sa mga utak nila. Na, I mean, of course, that's normal for any person, di ba? Na meron talaga silang gusto for you. May dream sila for you. So, imaginein mo yung biglang nabasag lahat yon ng isang iglap. Walang kaabog-abog.
Fear.
Bukod doon, diba? May mga takot, etc. So ako siguro, parang yun lang, every time I'm being asked about it, I always say na, as much as it is a journey for us, na mga trans individuals, it is also a journey for the people we love. So,